Doing business on the phone, the forgotten option. So today I'm going to talk about doing business on the phone, which I think for some is a forgotten option. And why I'm talking about this is because today we hear that in the UK there's a likelihood of another lockdown, which means that business conditions are going to persist for the next 6 months. There has been a Zoom boom, which we've all had to participate in. However, I do a lot of business on the telephone, and there are certain reasons why I do it that way, which I'll explain. But while I listened to this back in the day, I and a few friends started a business which grew into a global contact center business, which means it started in telephone marketing and telephone sales. So we had to learn quite a bit about how to use that particular media, and we would have sales and customer service conversations which would last an hour, which, at that time, most people said couldn't be done. I think you might find it's normal now. When you buy something and you get a telephone call from one of the service providers, often the calls can take an hour. But often also the calls are poor, and a lot of the people aren't trained well to use the medium. If they don't ask permission, they don't identify who they are, they don't ask permission to speak, they don't make it clear why they're calling you and why the call could be of benefit to you. In fact, they do their best not to tell you that, just in case you say that you're not interested in going any further. So there's a lot of skill in using the phone. The reason I use it is because when I can't meet face to face with a client and I want a level of intimacy in the conversation that I'm about to have, I find that the telephone is a better option than the computer apps like Zoom. Because in those, without going into too much detail about, I don't want to criticize them because they're fantastic. They've enabled a lot of conversations, but you lose a lot of focus, in my opinion, and quality. And sometimes you can't see the kind of nonverbal tonal aspects of the conversation that you can get on the telephone when you're listening to someone's the words that they're using, their breathing, their tone, and their tempo. So there are many advantages to doing business on the phone. Maybe it's a forgotten option and maybe you want to reconsider it, particularly if you are doing business strategy and you have no way of meeting your customer. Okay, so the tip, if you are going to use the phone, is, and this might sound rather quaint, but the tip is to use a landline rather than a mobile. The reasons are mainly to do with the stability of the line and the quality of the voice transmission. And you don't get interferences in the same way on a landline, which means that you can pick up the subtle cues that your clients, the person on the other end of the line, is giving you through their tone and through their breathing and through the way they're using the words that they use. So my quaint tip is to use a landline.